day now. I'm not happy with you. You don't even saw me in today. You don't even ask care of me or not.
You know we are doing it codedly. We don't want people to know it before.
Landlord, you have not yet.
Yeah, what?
The government have increased the subsidies.
You mean the government have common subsidy?
Government have common subsidized. You know yet. Landlord, you have to be smarter though. You have to be a wisdom of a man. See, everything in the market is expensive. I go and buy Maggi, I am buy 10 naira. I am buy 20 naira. Tomato, I am buy 20 naira. I buy 40 naira. 50 naira. 120 naira. But you have to be very, very a wisdom man though.
Now.
Landlord.
Don't worry now. Don't you trust me again?
I trust in you.
Oh, Yabami. I will show them that I am the landlord in this compound. They will hear from me. Oh, Abebe. Oh, don't awaken the sleeping lion.
I am cooking food. I just want to
Oh, she le padà lọ. Oh, Yabami. Ma ko e pa ni.
Na so we dey do. Welcome to school too.
Okay, Landlord, I don't understand this whole.
Understand what? Are you not a graduate? What is it that you don't understand?
I'm talking about the increase of rent. What does it have to do with the graduate?
Are you not in the same country where they remove fuel, increase fuel from 87 naira to 145 naira, and I'm not increasing my rent? You are telling me you don't have. See, if you don't have the money, pack out of my house.
Okay, Landlord, what does the increment of rent got to do with a house?
See, remove fuel subsidy. Me, I'm removing rent subsidy.
But Landlord, you know where I work now. You know how much I earn in a month. I'm earning 18,000 naira. How do you expect me to pay for 145,000 naira?
From that 18,000 naira, they increase the bag of pure water and you buy. 18,000 naira, I get bread increase and you buy. And I'm not increasing my rent. You're telling me you don't have the money. See, you should even be thanking me for not even including HSC fee, agreement fee to this new increment. You are telling me, see, pack out of my house.
Am I a new tenant?
I don't know.
Am I a new tenant?
I don't know.
You are removing the subsidy, Abi?
I'm removing everything.
You are removing it, Abi? Make sure I remove subsidy from all your security in this area, and everybody will know about you and the Yabo.
Shut it all. I don't want people to know.
Your wife will know about the Yabo. The husband to Yabo will know. If I see 1 naira,
I will not even increase.
if I see 1 naira added to my rent,
Please, I will not even.
I will make sure Iyabo husband know about it. Your wife know about it. You know your wife is the owner of this compound. You know your wife is the owner of this compound.
Lower your voice.
Don't worry.
But what subsidy?
Yeah, ma.
But what subsidy? So this boy knows about my secret. This subsidy palava.
School too.
Now the subsidy they vex you.
My brother, seriously, from what I'm saying now, short sauce, there is no even, and if you see my height, they don't remove subsidy.
Hello everybody, this is School 2. Keep watching.
I love you.